Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared plus x squared over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3 to find the values of x. In the first step, from these two parts, we take common denominator. This x squared, we can write x squared over 1, right? So we take common denominator, x plus 1 to the power of 2. This is a common denominator. So in here, this fraction denominator multiplied by x plus 1 to the power of 2. So we multiply this numerator by x plus 1 to the power of 2. So it will be x squared times x plus 1 to the power of 2 and plus, and here we have x plus 1 to the power of 2, and in here our common denominator is equal to this. So we write this x squared in here is equals to 3. So in next step, it will be x squared times x plus 1 to the power of 2. It will be x squared plus 2x plus 1, right? And plus x squared over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3. In next step, it will be x squared times x squared, it will be x to the power of 4 plus x squared times 2x, it will be 2x cubed, and plus x squared times 1, it will be x squared, and plus x squared over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3. And it will be x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed, and plus x squared, it will be 2x squared over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3. In next step, from these two parts, we factor 2x squared. So it will be, in here we have x to the power of 4, and plus we factor 2x squared, and this divided by this, it will be x, and this divided by this, it will be 1 over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3. So in next step, we separate this, and it will be x to the power of 4 over x plus 1 to the power of 2 and plus 2x squared times x plus 1 over x plus 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 3. So in here we can write this x to the power of 4 as x to the power of 2 and to the power of 2, right? And over x plus 1 to the power of 2 and plus, in here x plus 1, this x plus 1 will cancel this power of 2, right? This divided by this, these two will cancel. So in here we have 2 times x squared over x plus 1, right? Is equals to 3. So in next step, in here we can write this x squared to the power of 2 over x plus 1 to the power of 2 as x squared over x plus 1 bracket to the power of 2, right? And plus, in here we can write this as 2 times x squared over x plus 1, right? Or 2 times bracket x squared over x plus 1 is equals to 3. So in here, x squared over x plus 1 is common, so we let x squared over x plus 1 as u. So we rewrite this equation, and it will be, this is u, so it will be u squared plus 2u is equals to 3. And in next step, we take this 3 to this side, so it will be u squared plus 2u minus 3 is equals to 0. And in next step, in here, we can write this as u square plus 2u. We can write 2u as negative u plus 3u, right? Negative u plus 3u, it will be 2u. And minus 3 is equals to 0. And in here, we take these two parts together and these two parts together. So from these two parts, we factor u. So it will be u square divided by u, it will be u, and the negative u divided by u, it will be negative 1 plus, and from these two parts, we factor 3. So it will be 3. This divided by this, it will be u, and negative 3 divided by 3, it will be negative 1 is equals to 0. So u minus 1 is common, so we factor u minus 1, and it will be u plus 3 is equals to 0. So in here, we have two solutions for u. U minus 1 is equals to 0, and from here, u is equals to 1, and in here, u plus 3 is equals to 0, and from here, u is equals to negative 3. So, in next step, we recall this. U is equals to x squared over x plus 1. So, we write in here, x squared over x plus 1 is equals to u, and u from here is 1. So, it's 1. And in here, we can write 1 as 1 over 1, right? So, in here, we apply cross multiplication. This times this, and this times this. So, it will be 1 times x squared, it will be x squared is equals to 1 times x plus 1, it will be x plus 1, right? So, in next step, we take these two parts to this side, and it will be x squared minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So, in here, we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 1, and c is constant is negative 1. So, it will be x is equals to negative b, negative 1 is positive 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 1 squared is 1, and minus 4 times a is 1, and times c is negative 1, over 2a is 2, and from here, x is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of, in here, negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, it will be positive 4, and 1 plus 4, it will be 5, right, over 2. So, from here, we have two solutions for x. And here, for u is equals to negative 3, we have x squared over x plus 1 is equals to u, and u is negative 3. And here we can write negative 3 as negative 3 over 1, and we use cross multiplication. This times this, and this times this. So it will be in here 1 times x squared, it will be x squared is equals to negative 3 times x plus 1, it will be negative 3x minus 3, right? So in here we take these two parts to this side, so it will be x squared plus 3x and plus 3 is equals to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, and it will be x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is 3, and c is constant is 3. So x is equals to negative b, negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared is 9, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and c is 3. And over 2a is 2. And from here, x is equals to negative 3 plus or minus square root of 4 times 1 times 3, it will be 12. So 9 minus 12, it will be negative 3, right? Negative 3 over 2. In here, we can write negative 3 as, in here, negative 3 plus or minus. We can write the square root of negative 3 as the square root of 3 times the square root of negative 1 and over 2. So from here, x is equals to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3, and the square root of negative 1 is I, so it will be a square root of 3i over 2. And so from here, we have two solutions. So we find 4 answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.